Hey Valley, before tomorrow's assembly, we'd like to take the time to go over some of our rules and regulations that we will be following. When entering, you will get your temperature checked and a colored dot that indicates where you're sitting.
Please make sure your mask is on and keep it on at all times. If your mask is not on correctly, you will be asked to leave the assembly.
Please make sure during the entire assembly that you are sitting in the section that correlates with the dot that you got when you walked in. If you do not feel comfortable attending this year's assembly, there will be a dedicated classroom for students to go and watch the virtual live stream. More information is to come on where that room will be located soon.
If you're a full-time iSchool student or cannot attend the assemblies, keep a lookout for our graphics to have the link to our live stream assembly.
To maintain social distancing, please sit in the seats with no X's. Remember, the X's are off limits.
Please bring a paper and pencil to be a part of this year's crowd game. Don't worry, there's no learning involved.
Don't worry guys, to make sure we're staying safe, we're disinfecting the seats between each assembly.
Every person in this year's assembly will be temperature checked and will have a wristband that indicates that you are ready to go and participate in this year's assembly. When you get there, please make sure you see one of the STUCO members to get
Thank you for following these guidelines so we can have a fun and safe in-person assembly.